Achtung, Triggerwarnung. Im Folgenden geht es um Gewalt, um Folter, um Kriegsverbrechen. Aber es ist wichtig, dass die Wahrheit auch benannt wird. Hört die Geschichte von Valerii.
My name is Valerii. I am a reconnaissance specialist and also an instructor at the 1st Corps of the National Guard of Ukraine, Azov. And recently I have been released out of the Russian captivity, where I've spent 2.5 years. Basically and regularly they hated us. They hated us, and that's why almost every single day we were beaten or tortured using electricity, rubber batons, stun guns, and many other forms of torture. But there is one thing that I wanted to say is that not actually everyone was like that there in Russian captivity. Some of them, prison guards, they were very nice people, but this was rather an exception, because the tortures and harassment was systematic, and I would say it was like 90% of my staying there was very tough. Like, first of all, we got to the Olenivka prison, and then we were transferred to the prosecutor's office for interrogation. The interrogation was very rough, and we were tortured and beaten, and it was 2 months after our imprisonment started. So right after the prosecutor's office, we spent there about 14 hours of interrogations and tortures. But then I was moved to a very notorious place in Donetsk, in occupied Donetsk. This place is called isolation, and I was placed to a cell which was approximately size of a toilet cabin, like 1 square meter or something, and I guess it was actually probably an ex-toilet cabin or something. I stayed there for almost 1 week, and every single day they came down to torture me, to beat me using electricity and stun guns, and I only had 1 loaf of bread a day and a bottle of water, and I had a bucket inside of this cell which was used as a toilet, you know. So this was, I guess, the toughest time for me.